Struggling to get your local business noticed on Google? You've got a great product, but competitors still outrank you. Wondering how to climb those local SEO rankings fast? Today, I'll break down actionable strategies that deliver results. The local search landscape is evolving, and staying ahead in 2025 requires new tactics. Google's algorithm favors businesses offering the best local experience. I'll share 5 powerful strategies to boost your local SEO. These are foundational steps any business owner can implement. Ready to dominate local search results? You're in the right place. Grab a notepad for secrets to attract more local customers. We'll cover optimizing your online assets and building local connections. Let's dive in and get you ranking. Stay tuned for strategies that will transform your business. It's time to stop being invisible online. Let's get started. Your Google Business Profile, GBP, is your digital storefront. It's often the first thing potential customers see. A fully optimized GBP is crucial for local SEO success. Ensure your business name, address, and phone number, NAP, are accurate. Select relevant categories to describe your business. Fill out every section of your profile, including business hours and website link. Use the Q&A section to engage with customers. Upload high-quality photos of your business and team. Regularly post updates using Google Posts. An active, detailed GBP is key to local SEO. Don't neglect this powerful tool. Make your profile visually appealing and dynamic. Provide as much information as possible. Stand out from competitors with a complete GBP. Now let's focus on local keywords. Target hyper-local phrases your customers use. Think like your customer, and use tools like Google's Keyword Planner. Integrate local keywords naturally into your website. Create dedicated service pages for specific areas. Use a blog to answer local questions and establish expertise. Capture high-intent traffic with strategic keyword use. Build trust with Google and potential customers. Online reviews are a huge ranking factor for local SEO. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews. Use follow-up emails or QR codes to make it easy. Respond professionally to negative reviews. Show potential customers you care and are responsive. Manage your reputation across all review sites. Use reviews as feedback to improve your business. A strong online reputation boosts trust in rankings. Consistency is key in building positive sentiment. Address recurring complaints to enhance your service. A well-handled negative review can build more trust. Your reputation is a powerful asset. Leverage it for higher local search rankings. Most local searches happen on mobile devices. A mobile-optimized site is crucial for local SEO success. Ensure your site is fast and user-friendly on mobile. Use Google's Page Speed Insights for improvement tips. Make buttons and links easy to tap. Simplify navigation and ensure text is readable. Include a click-to-call button for easy contact. Link your address to Google Maps for directions. Break up text with headings and bullet points. Use images and videos for engagement. A seamless mobile experience boosts rankings and conversions. Eliminate friction for mobile users. Prioritize mobile optimization for local SEO. Capture mobile traffic with a user-friendly site. Build authority with local links and partnerships. Local backlinks boost your SEO and authority. Leverage existing community relationships for links. Join local business associations for directory links. Sponsor local events for easy backlinks. Create content that local businesses want to link to. Reach out to local bloggers and news outlets. Collaborate with non-competing businesses for joint promotions. Promote each other online and link to each other. Partnerships expose your brand to new audiences. Build local connections for trust and authority. Google values local links and partnerships. Strengthen your position as a local leader. Boost your rankings with strategic local collaborations. 5 strategies to boost your local SEO in 2025. Optimize your Google Business Profile and use local keywords. Manage your online reputation and ensure mobile optimization. Build local links and partnerships for authority. Start with one strategy and build from there. Consistent effort drives measurable growth. Consider expert help to maximize results. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.